Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I'm SINDU SANJAYA from Environmental Engineering. In this occasion, I will to explain about environmental phenomenon. And then in my topic is about rain. So in this time I will to explain about the process of rain to fulfill English course 2 with Mr. Tanjam. So let's go. We all must have been very familiar with which its name is rain. Usually when it rains we like something warm, and then it is no wonder if see a lot of people who like to drink hot tea or coffee warm as their friends that it rain. So what is the meaning of rains? Rains is process of precipitation, and then rain have a 4 stage to rains. So I will to explain about what is the stage or step by steps to this rain. After we find out explanation regarding the understanding rain, so in this chapter we will to discuss about the process of the occurrence of rain. And the first stage is solar assistant or solar thermal assistant. Sunlight is a factor occurrence of rain. The sun is an important factor to the accretion of the rain on the earth. Without the aid of solar heat, when it feels impossible will happen rain process. Sunlight has effect to the water in rivers, lakes, seas or oceans to the evaporation into the air. And heat of the sun can also cause that occurs in human, animals, plants, and other objects that contain water. So it is the first stage. So the second stage is moisture compaction by high temperature. Next, after the water that is in the water rises into the air with their transformed into water vapor, then the heat will change the temperature of water vapor becomes solid to transport into dew. Then dew gathered into points that gets bigger with the hot temperature held, so that it will become of cumulus. That's the name is cumulus. Based on research, on his set drops of water has a size 5 until 20 millimeters, where on the size of the water drops will fall to earth with 5 centimeters per second, while the speed of the airflow to the top is much higher, so that we drop format air fall in of the earth. It is the second stage of rain. So the third stage after second stage, it is wind assistant. The process of the occurrence of rain wind assistant. After the points cloud in the sky on forming small clouds, the wind in the air blinks cloud and bump into each other to unit to form a large cloud collection. After the cloud turns into a grid, then the cloud will move again to the point of lower temperature until finally the cloud will turn into gray. So, and the last stage is rain. The process of decline of the rain after a small cloud unit and form a large cloud. The longer the color of clouds will be raised to the abundance of moisture content after a collection of water getting bigger and insoluble again due to this way. Then we cleanse if water will fall to are to called by rain phenomenon. Brief explanation in this process of the onset of rain can be summed up as follows. Head of a sun because evaporation of water in the face of the earth, and then resulting in the cloud stream water vaporing rising from the earth, and then the wind create cloud of tiny pump into each other as assembled into a large cloud, and then wind becoming incessantly gray because of growing number of moisture content. So the water come down after the rain. So a brief explanation regarding to understanding rain and rain. The process might be useful. So it is a process of phenomenon, environmental phenomenon of rain. So thanks your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi